Hey, it's Patrick from J&P Cycles, and we are going to show you how to clean up the rear end of your Road King. And what I mean by that is there's all kinds of crazy activity back here on a stock Road King. Things aren't smooth, they don't really follow the line of the bike, they're just kind of sticking out everywhere all willy-nilly. They're literally sticking straight up this way, straight out that way, and straight out this way. So we'll kind of go over these possible modifications one by one, but they really work well as a group here. What you're dealing with up here is probably this is the cheapest mod you're gonna do, but it makes a difference. So stock is a really cheap bracket here, and it just leaves your plate just hanging up here like a billboard. Really easy way to clean that up is this lay down curved license plate holder. The install is not too bad. For all of these, we have install videos, and I'll link you to those, no problem. This one can be done with a couple of tools, 2 hand tools, a little bit of time, probably in 10 minutes, you can have this on here. It lays this plate down so it kind of follows the radius of the fender, and then it actually curves it a little bit this way too. And for bonus points, if you wanted to, you could put a frame on there, which we should do, and really kind of tidy that up. So right here, you can handle this. You can lay your license plate down, kind of get it out of the breeze there. Now this second modification here, this is a Custom Dynamics Pro Beam taillight. Now it's not only laid down, the stock one really juts out here, it comes straight out like this, straight down, and it's of course red. Now this is a lay down and it's smoked, so it kind of fades away a little bit, looks cool, and it's not just this big red blob sticking out there. But the other big gain you're gonna get from this is visibility. The LED lights are way, way, way more brighter than your stock incandescent. So not only does it look good, it's very, very functional. And this is gonna be the easiest install of all of these. It's 2 Phillips screws and a plug-in. And like I mentioned before, we have install videos, we'll link you to those. Now, quite possibly, the most heinous thing about the back of these Road Kings is this turn signal bar here. It's a really big bar, goes either way with the giant lollipop style lenses. And really you're kind of screwed a little bit with a Road King because of the way it mounts right here. There are little divots in the fender where this bar mounts, plus there's 2 holes with grommets in them where the turn signal wires go through the fender. So if you just wanted to get rid of that, you're gonna be stuck with what amounts to 4 holes and 2 little divots. So to really clean that up if you wanted to, kind of like a street glide style fender, you'd have to have those holes filled, take your fender off, repaint everything. This Kuryakin light bar here is a really good option to tidy this up, tighten it up. It looks cool, it looks better than stock. And this is available in chrome and black. We went with chrome here because we have a lot of chrome finishes on the bike, but you can get this as black as well. It also changes these ambers to red. Now, check your laws, that can vary from state to state. But when this is on, this all looks red right here. This is also a pretty easy install that we'll link to. It's not hard at all, and really kind of sucks those things in and gives you a good bolt-on option to get rid of these giant lollipops here. For bonus points, if you wanted to, you could add a run-term brake controller. I'll throw a link to one in the description, and that would allow all of these to come on with the brake, and you can adjust the taillight to flash in certain patterns or stay solid and flash. But that's a nice little upgrade. It's a plug-in upgrade, and you can put a run-term brake controller on here, get you a little more visibility. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment and go work on those motorcycles.